My name's Paul Drayton. I'm the production director for new Milton Sand and Ballast. The McLanahan Inclined Screen was installed in February 2023. When we were going through the process of looking at purchasing the McLanahan screen, there was one operating on the Isle of Wight. They said dealing with McLanahan was second to none. The screen looked good, the quality of the build, and that's why we are really happy with this particular inclined screen that's here. What we didn't want to do is have to go through changing all the main frame of where the screen sits on. The screen was the only element that we wanted to put back into the plant and not have to have a company come in and try and sell us a whole complete new plant. The rest of the equipment is good. McLanahan, they retrofitted this new screen in for us, and as you can see behind, it sits in there and it's chugging away quite happily. It seemed very seamless the way they came in, and they retrofitted this new screen in for us. Took all the measurements and designed the screen to fit back in its location. The downtime was minimal. A lot of the groundwork was done prior to the screen going in. It allowed us to get all the infrastructure in to get the screen put into place, and it worked very well for us. The screen is a screen, it does its thing. However, I think the process that we had dealing with McLanahan, from the inquiry through to getting the plans through, they came down and sat with us, made sure we were happy with the whole design. We've had great contact with them still. They're always asking, how is it working, how is it going? And I think for us, we've got a lot of confidence there, and we will be happy to use them again.